Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass Raider model. Fits the 09 to 14 Ford F150, the 6.5 foot bed. So it's not bad shape, but it's got a lot of paint issues. So we'll go look at this one here. It is a Raider, but Raider is typically a Lear. It's built by Lear. So this has some big scratches right there. Across the back there. One pretty deep one right there. There's like a nicks right there, a couple nicks right there. Let's have the roof tracks on it for like a kayak rack or what have you on the top. Paint looks good through there. That's a couple scratches right there, there, and there. A pretty good scratch right there, and one down there. On the corner here, it's been nicked. It's kind of chipped the fiberglass there. And the bottom edge, it's got some nicks and chips on it from being set on the ground. Looks like this one's probably was taken on and off a truck, because it looks like they set it down a lot and chipped up the edge. A little bit of a paint issue right there, and a little bit of a chip scratch right there. I guess this side doesn't look. The other side I think had more scratches, chips on the edge. Half side slider on the side. There's a little bit of a, there we go, I see the scratch now. Right through there, and there. Sliding window in the front. I see that chip there. It's gonna, most of that's not even hard to be visible. It's gonna be up against the back of the cab. Some paint scratches there. A lot of chips on the edge. Some chips right there, a little scratch underneath there. Some more chips there. Down through here, this side's a lot nicer shape. No damage on this side. Paint looks good down through here. Sliding window. This window slides open so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Close that back up. Seal that up. Yeah, this side's got some chips on the bottom edge there. A little bit of a chip there. Paint chip right there. This has like a scuff, this type of a scratch. Not really a scratch, but more of a scuff that runs along down through here. Paint chip right there. And below there. So you kind of just, it's not really a scratch as much as it is like maybe a tree branch scuff or something. If you wanted to, that would probably buff out, but I mean, you're looking at this stuff, what would be the point? A couple chips there, chip right there, paint scratches through there in the back, bottom edge. Looks like the sticker is missing. I used to have the Raider sticker there. It's missing. It's just some adhesive left. Bottom edge has some chips on it here. Down through here some more. Couple more there, and then the ones up here in the front. Half side slider on the side. Double T-handle locking rear door. Got some paint issues and some chips and scratches there on the back corner. I mean, the good thing is the primer showing underneath is gray, the cap's silver, so it isn't horribly different color. I guess I don't know why this whole back edge is so scratched up. It's odd. Double T-handle locking rear door. Inside is carpeted. Screen's a couple snags there, a little bit of a tear there across the top, a little separation right there on the screen, a little bit of snag there, it goes up across the screen there. Not really bad, but it's got enough holes in it that if you're going to camp in it, you'd want to probably replace that. Picture our sliding window in the front is a tilt in, so it flips a lever here. You got one up here. That allows this window to pop in. Whoops. You got to get it centered. There you go. Allows that window to pop in so that you can clean the front of this glass here, the back of the truck cab up here, and clean those two glass windows. Flip that back up. Latch that there. Latch that there. Seal that back up again. It's carpeted. On this side, screens are a lot better shape. A little bit of a snag right there. I think that's what I'm seeing. Oh, that little tiny one on the corner, right there. That's really all I'm seeing on this screen. The screen looks good on this side. Serial number. Must be a Vagabond. I think that's what that sticker said. So it must be a Raider. Vagabond is the name. Brand, the series number. It is a 6.5 foot Ford F150 09 to 14. UI brilliant silver is the color. There it is, cab height fiberglass Raider. Fits the 2009 to 2014 Ford F150 6.5 foot bed in silver. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us as well. Click that link, go to our website, type in a search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. You're looking for a cap, a certain style, certain brand, certain color, certain size, what have you. We upload our used cap inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on an inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.